Black Panther. The realness, Black Panther. The dopeness, Black Panther. It's Black History Month. Black Panther. Let's talk about it. Let me tell y'all, all these memes about how I'm gonna be when Black Panther come out. Y'all, I'm here for the culture. As you all know, Black Panther's release date was Friday, February 15th. 15th? 15th to 16th. Is it the 16th? What's today? I've seen it already. I actually had the pleasure and the opportunity to see the movie before the actual release date, and I saw that on the 13th of, which was Tuesday. I'm so happy I was able to see the screening of it, because if I would have waited until opening day, I wouldn't have had a seat. Let's talk about Black Panther. Even though this movie is under Marvel Productions, it's a Marvel comic, the writing, the cinematography, the message, the beautiful melanin in this film was excellent. As the movie, comes on and everything, they give you a little back history of Africa, and they let you know exactly how Black Panther came to be. It gives you a back history, and then it comes to the present day of Black Panther. Yo, this movie was well written, well portrayed. Cinematography was like on point. Who could ask for anything more? Now, of course, you get a lot of movies where previews are just like in your face. Oh my God, I have to go and see it. And then once you see it, you're like, ugh, I wish I never paid my money for that. This is one film that was in your face with the previews, and it actually stuck to it. It lived up to its previews. It really lived up to its previews, okay? It did. There are a lot of adjectives to describe this film, but at the end of the day, you'll get lost in trying to actually put those words together. Literally, you'll get lost in trying to put those words together. Words really cannot describe just how well put together this film was. The cast was awesome. The cast was everything that you hoped they'd be. The acting was superb. The script was amazingly written. You had action. You had sarcasm. You had comedy. You had, most importantly, a message in this film. In today's society, it's just so much going on, and you just don't know what's going to happen next. This film made me, even though I'm already proud of it, it really made me proud of being Black. I reference the young man's video who I watched, and this is what he said. Basically, the roles were reversed. So instead of being a slave, a concubine, a server, the Black people ran it. They ran it. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. They ran this, It made me proud of being a woman, because the women in this film were superb. as a black woman, especially, sometimes we get downplayed with a lot of things. And in this film, a black woman was not someone's mistress, someone's nanny, someone's cook, someone's maid. She had a title. She had a role. She had meaning. Okoye, which was the general to Black Panther, she spewed out so much love. She just spewed it out. She was a protector, a great protector. And Kia, who was Black Panther's love interest, she was a nurturer. She was an advocate. She had meaning. You just have to realize that a lot of films that a lot of black women play in, they're downplayed. Michael B. Jordan's character, for a while you would be like, I don't like him. I hate him. Well, not really hate, but I don't like him. He's this, he's that. But he also had a strong, powerful message. Even though he was somewhat of the villain, he had a message, even as the villain. Now, how many villains in movies do you know have messages? Like, come on now. It also lets you know that even though you sometimes have to fight with your brother or your sister, there's always going to be that moment where you're going to need them. So regardless of the fight that you had with him or her, if you're able to go back and ask for their help, that's love. That's not hatred. That's love. And we as black people, we do a lot of fighting, big back and forth with each other. But at the end of the day, if you can't go back to that person and ask for their help, then you burnt a bridge that you probably shouldn't have burned. Thankful for Ryan Coogler. I'm thankful for Chadwick Boseman. I'm thankful for Michael B. Jordan. I'm thankful for Lupita Nyong'o. I'm thankful for Angela Bassett. I'm thankful for all those great people in that film. Panther is going to do more than just be a film. It's going to continue to teach. And I cannot wait to be taught once again. But I'm going to say this, because everyone should have seen the film by now. Honestly, everyone should have seen it by now. Please don't bootleg this film. Please. Please, please. I'm asking, please don't bootleg this. If you have Fire Stick, please don't. Go to your local movie theater. Please. Support. Don't bootleg it. No. This is not a film that should be bootlegged. Period. Y'all, share me your ideas. Share me your thoughts on Black Panther if you have seen it. How did you feel about the movie? Did you enjoy it? Was it like okay to you? Was it mediocre? How was it to you? But for me, I enjoyed every single minute of that film. And I haven't been to the movies lately. The last movie I went to see, I can't even remember. I don't go to the movies like that. But I made sure I was able to go and see this film. And I'm glad I did. This by far was really one of the best movies that I've seen in a while. The last movie I actually saw was Moonlight. Moonlight was an awesome film. Um, some people probably didn't like it, but you had to really understand the message behind the movie. It was an awesome film. But yeah, if you have seen Black Panther, be sure to leave me your comments down below. If you have not subscribed to this channel, be sure to go ahead and subscribe because there will be some new content coming as soon as possible. Once again, if you haven't seen the film, please go and see it. Do not bootleg it. Please do not bootleg this film. This film is not to be bootlegged. And with that, I'm out. Beans. Peace.